If there's anything that's difficult and confusing about growing your channel on YouTube, it would be getting that initial 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers. We all know that to get monetized on YouTube, you would need at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, right? But this has posed a very difficult challenge for lots of YouTubers, especially new YouTubers like us, right? So I figured something out, and that's why I'm here to share it with you, because this is going to, I applied this and I saw a significant change in how I've grown so far in accumulating those watch hours. All right. So without further ado, let's get right into it. But before that, if you are coming across my page for the first time, my name is Cynthia Ifoma and this is Leaders Dynasty. You are welcome. Please stick around and join the community by hitting that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you'll be the first to know every time I put out videos like this. All right. So we've all heard about the whole use the right title, uh, clickable thumbnails and make your videos more engaging. Be consistent on YouTube, like post content regularly so that people would see your content. The more you show up on their feeds, the more they get to know you and subscribe to your channel, right? And most importantly, give value. We've all heard about this, all these ones. But even though all of them are important, what I'm actually here to tell you is about the live streaming. All right. I'm here to tell you more about live streaming and how you can do it the right way. So recently we started hearing about Restream.io, the website where you can just stream your content on social media, whether it's on YouTube, your Facebook or TikTok, whatever platform you want to stream on. Restream, you can just connect your account to Restream, and Restream you can stream directly to that platform. All right. So, and when I heard about it, I thought Restream is actually very powerful and interesting. Let me try this out. I tried it out, and for the few times, I wasn't really getting anything much. I would see 20 views, 15 views, 16 views, just that range. And highest 30 views. And I'm like, how are people doing this? What is it I'm doing wrong? I mean, I'm doing what they said is working for them. I saw someone type that she got more than 4,000, more than 1,000 watch hours from just one live stream. And some other person talked about getting 4,000 watch hours just from live streaming. And I'm like, how is it that you people can do this? I don't understand it. I mean, I'm doing the same thing, but why is it not working? So I've watched a couple of videos explaining how to do this. And I saw a particular girl talk about, oh, you can get all these ASMR videos and just upload it. I heard people talk about silent live stream. I heard people talk about, different things. And I'm like, how is it that these people are doing all this? What's all this? I mean, I'm trying, I'm doing something. Why is it not working? I already connected my account to Restream, right? But for some reason, I wasn't getting, the kind of results others were getting. So I figured, like, it was very demoralizing for me, and I had to, just stop. I slowed down because I had to, like, reevaluate what I was doing to know what I was doing wrong so that I can change it. So for a while, I wasn't really going live anymore. I posted more of long form videos like this. So I had to go after a while. When I traveled for a while, I wasn't posting like as usual. So I checked out other channels to see what they were actually live streaming. And I saw something different. I saw people really posting interesting videos, maybe funny videos or animal videos or something like that. I'm like, wow, this is actually very interesting. Let me try doing something like that. So I went to pixels.com. I already talked about Pixel in some of my previous videos. So just go to pixels.com and download. You'll be able to download some free videos that's free of copyright. No one is, going to hold you for using their videos, right? So I went to Pixels and I got some videos, videos of animals grazing or some animals fighting or something like that. So I just got random videos that are actually very interesting, like videos that I can watch, videos that you think people would love to watch. And also I got some puppy videos. I mean, I love puppies, I love dogs, and I mean, I have lots of them in my gallery. I have lots of them. So in my library, so I had to check out some of the videos that I already had. So some interesting videos. I found that some interesting videos were just sitting in my gallery, and people would love to see those videos. So I had to upload some of those videos. And when you're using Restream for the free version, you cannot upload longer videos. So that means we have to loop the video for several hours to accumulate those watch time and watch hours, right? So that's what I did. So I had to loop my videos, and I had to change the kind of videos I was uploading. Those boring videos, change them and put something that is actually worth watching, like the animal kingdom, how the lion and the tigers, and just do something, bring different clips that are actually very interesting, or where the in the wild, where animals are hunting and killing each other for food or something like that. Yeah, something, just get something very interesting that would make people want to watch those videos, something like that. So that was just what I did, and I uploaded those videos, and you see, I saw like this spike, and I'm like, what? So this is actually possible. I even got 50k views, 30 something k views. I'm like, whoa, so this is possible for me on my live streams. I'm like, okay, now I see what I was doing wrong, so now I know how to adjust them. So guys, if you're like me and you're really confused about the kind of videos that you would upload to Restream, or maybe Restream is not working for you, please use this method that I've mentioned in this video, because it's going to work. It's going to work enormously for you, because right now I'm very close to that 4,000 watch hours. I'm not seeing it as something so impossible, very challenging right now. I mean, it's challenging, but like with the way things are going, I'm like, okay, now I see the possibility of actually closing this off, right? So, but before now, I wasn't really seeing it. So guys, try and do this, and you see how it's going to work magic for you. It did for me, so I know it's going to work for you too. So, all right, guys, I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section if there's anything confusing. I'm going to be answering and helping you. I'm also going to be helping you get these massive results like I'm getting. All right, I'll see you in my next video.